What's up guys, thank you so much for all the feedback on the previous videos and all of the requests that I got in my DMs for the accident repair video. I'm going to be doing this in a slightly longer format and I've been collecting some of the information and some of the stories in the meantime. The first car I'm going to cover in this preview of the accident series is my friend's X3, which was involved in quite a serious crash a short while ago. You'll see some pics of the accident here. And it took quite a large knock from behind and at an angle. And the at an angle part is going to come into play later when I show you some of the boot area that's misaligned and even the seat that no longer sort of fits into place. I think when these cars get assessed and when they get repaired, there's certain assumptions about how extensively to measure the chassis points and how extensively to do the alignment. If you had to just take a look at the car at a glance, it actually presents really well, and I think they nailed the paintwork. There were only one or two small defects that I found and a little bit of orange peel that was not presenting all that well. But let's get into it. Off the bat, you see some inconsistencies in the clear coat, which can be sanded out and repolished. These aren't a big problem and you can usually fix them quickly. But when you open the tailgate, you start to see signs of the panels not fitting well, the floor not sitting flat, panels too out from the anchor points to clip in, and other signs of careless assembly like damaged clips, panels, the rubber gaskets, and a few clips that really should have been replaced rather than being reused. Looking inside, you see a seat that clips in but sits further forward compared to the other side. And now with these clues, you need to think about this problem a bit more three-dimensionally, especially thinking about how the crash took place. You'll find there's enough leeway to get the car to look quite good even with a 15 or 20 millimeter misalignment, and some of you might not even notice these issues immediately, but you will see the effects later on, either struggling to align the car or with uneven wear on your drivetrain components, especially with this car being all-wheel drive. In the longer video, we're going to cover this in a lot more detail and hopefully give you all the tools you need to properly evaluate a car for whether it's been in an accident, whether it's been repaired, and whether that repair has been done correctly. So if you have a car you'd like me to look at or feature as part of this that might have been in a crash that you think was repaired very badly or perhaps very well, please DM me and I'll see if we can connect. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Cheers.